My video guide has the purpose to help you remove fake Microsoft Windows Helpline alerts that typically come from the random website. There is no point for me to mention this website because it is something random. But these fake Microsoft Windows Helpline alerts quote this fake number 888-346-7923. This is a fake Windows support number, even though this is a real number which is controlled by some online hackers. If you call this number, you will hear these hackers. They may try to connect to your computer remotely, and they may infect your computer considerably, or they may force you to waste your money, supposedly to get it fixed, but there is no help from such hackers, of course. So don't trust these pop-ups and don't call this fake Windows helpline number. What we recommend you to do is thoroughly investigating your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on this page, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.